Check valve. You can see the sketch of a check valve. Basically, check valve are available in 3 different configurations, or you can say in 3 different types: ball check valve, lift check valve and swing check valve. The only difference between these 3 types is the valve plug body. You can see in the figure valve plug. The shape of the valve plug is different in these 3 types. The figure you see is the type of lift check valve. While in the ball check valve, the shape of that valve plug is similar to the shape of the ball, and that's why we call it as a ball check valve, right? And in swing check valve, it is similar to the lift check valve. So I can say that the check valve configuration is differ in the valve plug shape only, and the remaining procedure of this valve is same for all the 3 types. Fine. The figure which you see on the screen is of the lift check valve, right? Basically, check valve permits flow only in one direction. This is very important point. Any check valve permits flow only in one direction, and that's why it is also known as non-return valve. Remember this saying, check valve is also known as non-return valve because these check valves permits flow only in one direction. That means it does not allow the flow to reverse back. Fine. So see in the figure, when the flow is coming in this direction, due to the pressure of the fluid, the valve plug position shifts in upward direction. So it is opened by the pressure of the fluid in desired direction. But when the flow stops or tends to reverse back, I am repeating again, when the flow stops or tends to reverse back, the valve automatically closes. Closes, that means that plug position shifts down. Understand? Valve automatically closes by gravity or by a spring pressing against the disc. That means when the flow is coming in this direction, valve plug position is in the upward direction, but when the flow stops or flow try to reverse back, then at that time that valve closes by gravity or by pressing the spring against the disc. And that's why we can say that check valve permits flow only in one direction. And that's why it is also known as non-return valve. Clear? So this is check valve. In our chemical industry, whenever we require flow in only one direction and we don't require the flow to reverse back, at that time we have to go for check valve or non-return valve. Fine. So this is the construction and working of check valve. So till now we have covered the main 4 types of the valves: gate valve, globe valve, plug cock valves and check valves. These valves covers the wide range of application in any chemical industry. Now let us go for another topic, which is prevention of leakage around moving parts. There are possibilities of leakage when we are using the machinery having moving parts. And to prevent that leakage, we have to install some mechanism. In many processing equipment, it is necessary to have one part move in relation to another part without excessive leakage of fluid around the moving member. And for that, we have to use the equipment for prevention of leakage around the moving part. So, let us classify the device for minimizing the leakage. When this is important, where the important chemicals are transferring from one place to another place, there are chances of leakage of that chemicals. So at that time, at that point, we have to install this device for minimizing the leakage. So now let us see which are the devices used for minimizing this leakage of the important chemicals. First category is stuffing boxes and second is mechanical seal. These are the two devices which is used for prevention of leakage. Now let us see these both two devices in detail. Let us start with stuffing boxes. There are two configurations of stuffing boxes which are used. This figure A shows the simple form of stuffing box and figure B shows the lantern ring stuffing box. Don't be confused with the figure. It looks little complicated, but it is very easy to understand the concept of these stuffing boxes. Basically, the main part where we are preventing the leakage is near the shaft. See the figure. In construction, it consists of a shaft followed by the follower, lantern ring and packing. You can see in the figure that lantern form of the stuffing box is the mirror image of the simple form. See in figure A, which is the simple form of the stuffing box, and see in the figure B, which is the lantern ring stuffing box, it is just mirror position of the simple form, nothing else. Fine. Now, where there is a leakage chances of the chemical, then at that point we are attaching this stuffing box with this shaft position. See in the figure, this stuffing box can provide a seal around a rotating shaft and also around a shaft that moves axially. So the equipment where there is a chances of leakage, that shaft or that point is connected with the shaft of this stuffing box. In this stuffing box, the packing plays an important role in preventing leakage. I am repeating again, this is very important factor. Packing plays an important role in preventing leakage through the moving parts. So what will happen when we are combining the two shafts of the equipment or of the stuffing box? What will happen when there is a leakage in the equipment? That leakage is prevented by this packing portion of our stuffing box. But this stuffing box does not completely stop fluid from leaking out. It is not 100% efficient. In fact, when the box is operating properly, at that time also there should be some leakage. Right. But it will prevent the leakage from the moving part, but not 100% stop the leakage. Right. So this way we can prevent the leakage by using these two forms of the stuffing boxes. Now the second device which is used for prevention of leakage through the moving part is mechanical seal. You can see in the mechanical seal, the important part, or I can say the heart of the mechanical seal is the U-cup packing, which you can see in the figure. It consists of U-cup packing, packing spreader, graphite ring, this rotating collar on the rotating shaft, and all these parts are assembled in a casing that you can easily see in the figure. Fine. But the main part, or you can say heart of the mechanical seal, is the U-cup packing, as the leakage is prevented by this U-cup packing. In this mechanical seal, the sliding contact is between a ring of graphite and polished metal face, usually of carbon steel. You can see in the figure the ring of graphite, which is stationary as mentioned in the figure. That sliding contact between this ring of graphite and polished metal face, which is of usually material carbon steel. Again here, similar to the stuffing box, the rotating shaft of this mechanical seal is attached to the main shaft of the equipment where there is a chances of leakage. Then what will happen, if there is a leakage of the fluid, that leakage is prevented with the help of this U-cup packing and that graphite ring. And in between that there is a packing spreader which help U-cup packing for prevention of the leakage. This stationary U-cup packing, which is of usually material rubber, is set in the space between the body of the seal and the chamber, which is seen in the figure. Right, that U-cup packing is set in the space between the body of the seal and the chamber, and that keeps the fluid from leaking past the non-rotating part of the seal. Right. So figure is somewhat complicated, but when you can understand the concept of the equipment, you can easily explain the topic. Right. So by this way, with the help of stuffing box or mechanical seal, we can easily prevent the leakage of the fluid from the moving part. The efficiency of the mechanical seal is higher than the stuffing boxes. So mechanical seal cover the wide range of application in any chemical industry for prevention of leakage through the moving parts. So in today's lecture we have covered the type of a valve, which is check valve, with its construction and working and all three configurations, and the devices which is used for prevention of leakage, which are stuffing boxes with its two configurations and mechanical seal. Thank you very much.